Hello, you guys. Welcome to a brand new haul video after like 3 months. I know, my bad. I haven't been doing haul videos for you guys, but I am back with some of my favorite summer picks from Myntra, which I can't wait to share with you guys. Now, everything is between 500 to 1500 at the max, so it's affordable, budget friendly. You guys are gonna love it. I can't wait to get right into it. So let's get started. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Ishita, and I make a lot of videos about fashion, styling, lifestyle, grooming, personality development. And if that is something you like to watch here on YouTube, please do hit that subscribe button and head over to my channel homepage to check out my older videos. Now, starting off with the first thing in the haul is the top that I'm wearing right now. Now, this is from the brand called Avan, which I discovered on Myntra, and I cannot believe the price, which is just $459. The quality is top notch. This is a cotton top. It's slightly semi-sheer. The embroidery on this is really cute. It's the perfect summer top. It also has another color. It comes in a bright pink as well, but I kind of wanted to get the white because it's more versatile. Will go with everything. Right now, I've paired it with these brown cargo pants, which I'll talk about really soon because this is also part of the haul. I am wearing a size small, but you can size up because it is a crop top, and if you are heavier on the bust side, it does tend to sort of stretch up a bit, so make sure to size up for this top. This top is a 10 on 10 and I would highly recommend it to you guys. Next up is this really pretty cute fit and flare dress from the brand Style Cast, and it's a georgette material, but it is so feminine. It's got puff sleeves, it fits till your waist and then flares out. It is slightly shorter in length, but the color and the print is perfect for summers. I haven't worn fit and flare dresses in a really long time. I think my go-to style at this point has become high-waisted jeans with tank tops or crop tops, so I want to change that up a little bit and wear more feminine girly clothes this season, and it fits really well. I am again in a size small, and this was for just 1200 rupees. It's actually on discount right now on Myntra, and when I bought these clothes, which was about a week back, there was even more discount on all of these things, so there might be a mismatch with the prices that I got it at and what you might be getting it right now for. You might even get it cheaper right now, I don't know, but like I said, everything is under budget and under 1500. Moving on, I got this really cool t-shirt that says a little bit dramatic, which I think all girls are, and this is from the Soul store. This cost me about 700 rupees, but the print is really high quality, premium. It's good quality t-shirt, really good cotton, comfy, and it fits really well. I got a size medium because it is cropped and I wanted a slightly loose fitted and not exactly body tight fitted t-shirt, so this is perfect. Again, I can pair it with the cargos that I'm wearing, jeans, skirts, squats, literally everything, because this is such a versatile basic tee. Next up is another crop top from the brand Street 9. It is a very Gen Z design. I've seen a lot of brands like Missguided, Mango, Trendy, all slightly expensive brands. This is a good substitute for that. This is just for, wait for it, 645 rupees. If you find a similar top on the brand Missguided, you won't find it for cheaper than 2300 or 2500 rupees. So I thought I'm gonna get this and give it a try, check out the quality, and it was actually pretty good. You can pair it with high-waisted jeans, high-waisted any bottom wear, and this has these puff sleeves. I know maybe in the summer it might get a little hot with the full sleeves, but if you're going for an event which is indoors and you know you're not going to be stepping out in the crazy heat, this would be a great option to style. Next up is a quad set, because everyone just is loving quad sets at this point. I personally think they sometimes look like night suits, but this one does not. This is from the brand Sangria, and this was just for $11.99, and you will rarely get good quality quad sets for that much price. Nothing below 2700, 2800. It's pretty minimal, to be honest. It's just got like minimal embroidery on the shirt and also at the bottom of the pants. And I know this is black, so not really a summer color. When you wear it, you'll see how comfortable and soft the material is, so you can still wear it, like I said, for casual outings where you know you're going to be indoors, not going to be stepping out, or even to the mall. And if you're wondering how to style this, the best way would be to add some big hoops, or if you want to wear silver jewelry, you can add chunky boho jewelry to it, so it'll make for a great boho look as well. Now, skirts are literally everywhere. You go to H&M, Zara, especially Zara, skirts have become a big thing this season, and this one from Berry Lush is really good. Now, Berry Lush, when you buy dresses from them, them. Although they look pretty on the website, the quality is not always the best. Like sometimes it really is, just like this skirt. This one is quite impressive. I have something very similar from Zara in pink. I feel like this is a great, I don't want to call it a dupe, but a great substitute for buying an affordable brand instead of Zara. This can be paired with a cute white t-shirt, baby tees, even the little bit dramatic top is going to go really well with this, or basic white tank, pink tank, anything will go with this. I got this for 770, which is definitely worth the price, but right now it's for 1000 rupees. So just wait it out because Myntra always has discounts that are going up and down. Next up are the pair of cargo pants that I'm wearing. This is from the brand Bewakoof and I got this for 16.99. I will tell you, it is worth the price. The quality is very good. The fit is very good. I got this in the size 28 and it fits me perfectly. I just wish the length was slightly longer for me, but I'm 5'7" almost, so kind of makes sense. If you're someone who's 5'5", this would be perfect for you. I've not seen a lot of brown cargo pants. I usually see black or olive green, so this was a color that I had to get for myself. This is a piece that you should have in your wardrobe because it's not great just for summers, but even in winters, there are different ways to style a pair of cargo pants. You can actually check out my video where I show you how to style different bottom wear, also some college outfit ideas. And I've also done a video where I have styled 16 outfits with 8 pieces, and I've also used a pair of cargo pants in that. So that will also give you some more ideas on how to style these pants. I also actually ordered a pair of parachute pants from the brand Roadster for about 700 rupees, which I thought was a steal because parachute pants in Zara or H&M will cost you 2000 plus. But I was kind of disappointed. The material is great, but the length of those pants are really off, especially for me. So if you're shorter in height, say below like 5'5", it might work out for you, but for me it was a big no. The fitting was weird. Even though a great price, it did not fit really well for me, but you can give it a try if you think it might look good on you. And lastly, I got this white dress from Berry Lush. This season, white dresses with embroidery or the prints on it is really trending. It's slightly sheer, so you will have to be careful about what you're wearing inside. And it is also short, so if you're not someone who's comfortable wearing short dresses, this may not be the perfect one for you. But the material is pretty good. It's not like your cheap polyester. It's actually good thick cotton material, and for the price that I paid for it, it was kind of worth it. But right now, again, the prices have gone up and I wouldn't recommend buying it now. Wait it out, and if you want to try this, then get this for yourself. So this was it, a quick Myntra haul with my favorite summer picks from the website. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you do end up getting something for yourself from my recommendations, do let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know, and I will be doing a lot more haul videos for you guys. I know you all follow me for my recommendations, and I will be giving you guys more of that. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys super soon next week. Bye bye.